So there are three main types of pins that I'm talking about today. Standard pins, which are the pins that have been around since the beginning of time. It's a single image or a collection of still images with an external link. Then there's a video pin, which is a single video with an external link. And then there's idea pins, which you're hearing people talk about. When they came out a couple years ago in beta, they were called story pins. And then they more aptly named it when it came out of beta and went to everyone. And when I say everyone, that's the UK, United States, and Canada. It is still rolling out to other countries slowly. But if you're in another country and you're wondering what I'm talking about, that may be the problem. And idea pins are very much like reels on Instagram. They are ideas or stories or inspiration or education, and it's usually a video and some images or video clip. It could even be one video, but there are slides to idea pins, and the best way to really get more time and more clicks, more analytics, is to have separate slides versus one video, but you can do one video. Right now, there's no external link. However, in the end of February, Pinterest announced that they're rolling out links to idea pins, which we are all very excited for that have been on Pinterest forever. And even people that are consuming stuff on Pinterest, they will get a little frustrated when they click on it and it doesn't go somewhere because they're trained to click and go get that recipe or click and go look at whatever it is that they're looking at. I have multiple Pinterest management clients. I have students in my membership, and I have two Pinterest pages of my own, and only one client has links yet. So it is still in beta and it is still rolling out, but I wanted to make sure if this is the first time that you're hearing this, that you heard it from me on Michaela's channel. All right, so let me go ahead and show you. As I only teach organic growth, I don't teach Pinterest ads because I feel like you don't need to pay for ads to really get some good return on your time investment. These are the pins that I use: standard pins, video pins, and idea pins. So idea pins are only available right now on Pinterest business accounts. So if you, for whatever reason, can't create an idea pin on your Pinterest account, it's probably because it's still a personal account and you do need to make it a business account. With a business account, you're also getting all of the analytic data, which you need when you're marketing to make sure that what you're doing is working, right? You can use idea pins to record multiple videos, as I mentioned, and all those things. Here are some ideas for idea pins: creating a step-by-step guide to a project or a recipe or an education of some kind, uploading multiple short videos with an additional descriptive text or text overlay, customizing the colors and the fonts of your pin, improving your targeting with topic tagging. So on the app on your phone, you can actually add Amazon affiliate links. You can add any kind of, most of affiliate links so that you're getting credit when people click on that. You can curate a collection of products. You can tell a story in a brand new way. And there's a ton more. And you can also make it in Canva so that you can then just upload it to Pinterest. But again, if you are tagging a client in an idea pin, or for wedding people, if you're tagging the venue or you're tagging any of the vendors, or you're using an affiliate link, you have to use the app on your phone. But you can do everything on the computer and then go and upload it to your phone to do that. The next one is video pins, and video pins are a great way to tell a more comprehensive story about your brand idea or project. Video pins have a cover image that captures your audience's attention with text overlay, and then they play in the user's feed, so that as you're going through the feed, when you first go onto Pinterest, you'll notice the ones that are videos because they automatically start playing, which is really cool. I recommend having text overlay on them, or so that people understand kind of what you're saying, because a lot of people listen with no sound. So same way that you would do it for TikTok or for Instagram. Pinterest recommends videos are between 15 seconds and a minute long, but the sweet spot, just exactly like Instagram and TikTok, is 6 to 15 seconds. You can even push it to 30 seconds, but 6 to 15 seconds is the sweet spot in terms of holding people's attention.
Yeah.
And I always say, if you're short on time, just upload the whole video. Like, if it's a difference between 5 minutes of your time and 40 minutes of your time, go with the 5 minutes unless you have, which I recommend, a dedicated 1 or 2 hours a week to do Pinterest, in which case you would have the time to do it. But if you're in a pinch or you're in busy season or you're full of client work right now, just getting pins up there is really, the consistency is way more important than having it be sort of perfect in marketing terms.